how you can use starpets.gg on mobile. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for starpets.gg so you can go to the website. Now, on the home page, click the Profile button and log in to your account. And if you don't have an account yet, just click Create an Account. Then enter your username and email or log in by using your Google account. Once you have your account, sign in and log into your account. Then go to the market where you can see all the pets and their prices. You can sort them and filter them by price, item type, rarity, properties, and age. After that, click the item icon to see all your purchased pets. Then go to the Robux section where you can purchase Robux. All you have to do is add balance into your wallet, enter the amount, and tap Buy. Next, go to the Sales section where you can see currencies, your balance, and you can add your gaming account by tapping the Add Account button. Once you're a seller, you can view your sales items, your inventory, your shop, and your items for sale. Then, go to the Profile where you can change the theme of your account to dark or light. You can also add balance here by tapping Add. Just select any payment method available for you. After that, you'll see buttons to cash out, top up, view your transaction history, and if you have a promo code, just tap Promo Code and then enter the promo code. Then you can participate in the Wheel of Fortune. All you have to do is spin the wheel to receive a gift, like a pet. Once you get pets, at the top right corner, you'll see your added items. Just click the pets and then tap Buy if you want to purchase that as soon as possible. Finally, at the bottom section, you will see the Logout button and the chat box. And if you have any queries, you can just inquire through their support system. And that's it. That's how you can use starpets.gg on mobile.